That's, oh my god, that should be my Instagram at name. Yeah, smart trash. That's me. Oh, I'm so awkward.
Yeah, we would never have a child on this channel.
Yeah, no, that's canceled. This is like 21 and up crew over here. Hello, hot boys and hot girls. Welcome back to Hot Girl Kitchen.
I'm Melissa.
And I'm Matt. Sorry, she forgot her name. It happens from time to time. In case she wants to forget even more than just her name, we're making a cocktail. Because what's better than alcohol poisoning?
Nothing. Not a thing.
Can't think of anything at the moment.
We're going to be making some of my signature mojitos. And to be quite honest, no one makes a mojito as good as me. So,
well, I can't wait to watch her back that thing up and back up your claims and taste your fabulous mojito.
Are you going to ask me what's in my mojito?
Oh, yeah, thanks for asking me to ask you. Melissa, what's in your mojito? I'm dying to know.
Well, boys and girls, obviously for a mojito you need rum. So we're just going to do some regular rum, but...
Oh my god, is this 151? Oh no, thank god, I was going to say it smells like alcohol poisoning to me. But
the way to really shake your mojito up is to throw in coconut rum. So you should in fact do both for pretty much any mojito. We're also going to use another mojito staple, some mint, some limes, and then I'm going to be doing blackberries and raspberries. Fresh, muddled, your faith has never seen it.
Has never seen a raspberry.
Doesn't know what a raspberry is.
Wow, it's so exotic, that raspberry.
And then I'm just going to top it with a little bit of lemon soda water just for a little extra fizz.
So,
okay.
What's next?
So, we're going to get the ball rolling. First, I'm going to go ahead and juice.
I'm backing up because this
an
freaks me
entire
out.
lime.
It's a little bit, sometimes it sprays. Not really interested in catching the spray. That sounded nasty.
Well, you are nasty, so.
You heard it here first.
We're going to go ahead and get this other one, because remember I just said an entire lime people.
One whole lime, so she did 1/2. So now this 1/2, like 1/2 equals 1. In case some of you at home flunked out of elementary math.
I can't. Why don't you fill our cups with ice, Will?
I guess I'll do as I'm ordered.
Sure will. Then,
oh my god, there's so much more alcohol in here. I forgot about this, boy. Maybe we'll save this for later.
So, you're going to go ahead and rip up some of your mint. Rip, rip, rip. Wonderful, perfect. As much as you feel needed. I'm going to throw in some raspberries. That's 4, 6. Go with 6 raspberries.
So refreshing.
This is sick.
You have to have like a minimum blood alcohol content of like 0.25 to hang out with Melissa for an extended period of time. Intolerable sober.
Get me a paper towel.
See?
6.
Example, exhibit A.
6 raspberries, 6 blackberries. We're going to go with that. And then I'm going to make enough for 2 in this.
Just me and you, girl. All the way.
So we're going to do 2 ounce. 2 ounce. That's cool. Then
this really is looking like quite a bit of rum, to be honest.
2 ounce. 2 ounce.
So basically this is like a double because each of those is 1 shot, right?
I mean, yeah, you already know that that's how we roll around
Potent.
here. And then I'm not, because I'm doing it for 2 and there's a lot of stuff going on, I'm just going to throw very, just for, an aesthetic purpose. Right.
So what does that have to do with you just making two? I'm a little bit confused.
Because I'm not gonna like drain both of these. I'm just gonna strain it.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. So we still want stuff in our thing. Muddle.
Oh, she's forgetting steps, and now she's covering up the view again. You always do that. Crazy loopy girl.
People are here for me.
Too many cocktails already, and she starts to get a false sense of confidence. That's the word, confidence. I've had a few too many as well, clearly. It's like, I'm losing my vocabulary. I've lost it to the streets.
We see that.
Yeah, that's where I belong.
Gonna grab some ice. And
Yager's very excited about the ice. Here he comes. Hey, Yager. Look what Mommy's doing. Yager, say hi to your fans.
No.
He's a good boy. Yeah, he denied his mom real quick. He's not the first man to do that.
Then you're gonna go ahead and strain your mojito.
Ooh, what a pretty color. Into that. Okay, well here she comes trying to kick me out of the frame again. It's like I'm not even here.
And then?
Oh, I was nervous about your press-on nails. I envisioned one flying off when you did that.
I can't.
The audience would be really shocked at how many bloopers there have been when we are trying to film and Melissa's nail is just
Anywho.
gone.
With the wind.
Gone with the wind.
We're just gonna go ahead and get our little wheels.
Is this for garnish?
Mm-hmm.
I love when we have the same mind, girl. Iconic. Great minds think alike. Ooh, that's a cute little wheel.
Beauty. And then we'll go ahead and throw our straws in. Beautiful.
Oh, you can tell these are those cheapies. These are not crystal. You hear that lack of a clang? Oh. I'll start a GoFundMe. Wow. Tastes like summer to me.
It's pretty strong.
I feel like I'm like, I know that's why I'm into it. I feel like I'm like, maybe in the Bahamas, maybe like Jamaica, maybe Aruba, you know, somewhere tropical. That's why I wore the shirt. So I was like feeling the aloha vibes. Well, that's Hawaii, in case people didn't pick up on that. You know, some of our audience might have less brain cells than I do, which is rare, but it's possible.
And
so with your last remaining brain cell, please don't forget to like and subscribe.
You know why?
I bet I know why.
Why?
Should we say it on 1, 2, 3?
1, 2,
3. Your fave could never.
In a million years.
Cheers to that.
Real hot girl shit.